Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to install Ambient Jammy Ubuntu minimal operating system onto the eMMC storage of Bananapi M4-Zero. So here you can see we have Bananapi M4-Zero, and in the previous video we have moved entire operating system from SD card to the eMMC storage on this board. Okay, so now we want to erase the eMMC storage. Okay, we want to clear the eMMC storage and we want to boot this board again with the SD card. Then how we can do that? So that thing we are going to cover in this video. So right now you can see I am connected with the board using SSH, and here you can see the storage use. So we have 32 GB of eMMC storage, okay, which is already in use. Now again we want to boot our board with the SD card, okay, and we have already flashed the SD card with the operating system. So how we can do that and how we can erase this eMMC storage which is on the board? So first of all, what we will do is we will power off the device. Okay, so now here you can see the LED is turned off. Now what we can do is we can insert the SD card. Okay, now the default setting in this board is to boot from the SD card. Okay, if SD card is plugged in. If SD card is not there, then the second setting is to boot from the eMMC storage. So right now we have plugged the SD card, so by default it will boot from the SD card, okay, not from the eMMC storage. So we can erase the eMMC storage after booting the operating system from the SD card. So now what I can do is I can start the board. Okay, here you can see LED is on. Okay, the board is plugged into our system. I can ping the IP address, ping 192.168.1.5. Okay, here you can see we have got the ping from our board. Okay, so OS is successfully booted now. Now what we can do is we can type SSH and then we'll type the username root and the IP address 192.168.1.5 and the password is tour. And here you can see we are successfully logged into the Bananapi M4-Zero. Now the main agenda on this video is we want to erase the eMMC storage of Bananapi M4-Zero. Okay, so first of all we have to list out how much storage we have, okay, how much disk we have. So you can use this command lsblk, okay, you can paste that command here and you can hit enter. So here you can see mmcblk0 is having the size of 58.2 GB, okay, and mmcblk0 is having size of 29.1 GB. We know that our mmcblk0 is the eMMC storage and mmcblk1 is the SD card, because my SD card is having size of 64 GB and my eMMC storage on the Bananapi M4-Zero board, okay, eMMC storage on the Bananapi M4-Zero board is 32 GB. So we can identify that we have to clear the mmc block 0. So we can copy this command. Okay, so what this command will do, it will erase everything from the mmc block 0. Now I can paste that command here. Okay, and it will erase everything available inside the mmc block 0, or you can say eMMC storage. Now I can hit enter. Okay, and here you can see it has started erasing the data in the eMMC storage. So it will take some time. Okay, here you can see the progress. So it will erase the data till 32 GB and then after the process will stop. Okay, okay, so here you can see the entire eMMC storage is erased. Okay, so it will put 0, okay, on the entire eMMC storage. So it will clear everything on the eMMC storage. Okay, now if I remove the SD card and if I boot this board again, then it won't boot successfully because we have cleared entire eMMC storage. Okay, so if you want to give a try, then I can give a try. So power off. Okay, connection is closed. You will see this LED stop blinking in a moment. Okay, so LED is stop blinking. I can remove the SD card here. Okay, I can plug out this cable, I can plug in this cable, and here you can see only green LED is on. Okay, her red LED is not blinking at all. Okay, so it means we can't boot the operating system onto this board. Okay, or there is no operating system onto this board. Okay, so you can't use this board now because we have successfully cleared the eMMC storage. Now if you want to use this board again, then what you have to do is you have to remove, or you can say you have to power off this board. You have to plug the SD card again, and then you have to power on this board. Okay, now you can see the red LED is also glowing, so it means that OS is getting booted here. And what we can do is we can check for the IP address. Okay, so ping 192.168.1.5. okay, this was the static IP address for this board, so we can ping this IP address until we get the ping. Okay, here you can see we have successful ping received. Now we can log into this board using SSH. So password is TWR, and here we are in the terminal of Bananapi M4-Zero. Okay, so you can again check the storage now. So here you can see mmcblk0. Okay, the size is 29.1 GB, and previously there was a partition, okay, for mmcblk0, but all those partitions are cleared now. Okay, so we have successfully cleared the eMMC storage. Now you can, boot your SD card with the desktop operating system, and again you can, copy or you can install the entire desktop OS onto the eMMC storage, and without using any SD card, you can boot this board with the desktop operating system. So I hope this is clear that how you can erase the eMMC storage of Bananapi M4-Zero. And if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. You can comment on this video, you can send me a mail, or you can chat with me on LinkedIn. So let's meet in the future videos, and we are going to cover this two topic in the future videos. Okay, so stay tuned, and till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.